Launching a new website is exciting and it feels like a big achievement, which it is. But did you know that 60% of website issues actually occur after the launch? That's why post-launch support and maintenance are so crucial. So in this video, we're going to discuss why ongoing post-launch support is essential, how it benefits your clients, and why it should be a key part of your service offerings. First things first, what exactly is post-launch support? It's the ongoing maintenance, updates, and monitoring of a website after it's live. But it's not just about keeping the site running smoothly. It's about making sure that your site continues to meet the needs of the business and its users. Without regular upkeep, even the best designed websites can suffer from performance issues, security vulnerabilities, and outdated content. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your site is secure and update, and that means continuous updates and maintenance. A major part of post-launch support is making sure that it is secure and up to date, because WordPress is constantly releasing plugin updates and software updates and security patches. And so why is this so important? It's because cybersecurity threats evolve constantly. If a site isn't updated regularly, it becomes a target for hackers. And with WordPress being so massive, there's a lot of traffic and a lot of people looking for out-of-date WordPress websites. Now, what happens when your site gets hacked? The result is going to be downtime, data loss, and possibly even a damaged reputation, all of which could have been prevented with regular maintenance. Another key aspect of post-launch support is performance monitoring and optimization. Now, as your client's site grows, whether it's new content or increased traffic, performance can start to suffer. So you want to make sure that you're doing regular checks and optimizations to keep the site fast and responsive, ensuring that great user experience. Think of a retail website that regularly optimizes its performance. They will notice a drop in load times, which is going to lead to better user engagement and ultimately more sales. On the flip side, a competitor that isn't maintained is going to start to lag, the users are going to get upset, and they're just going to go to a new competitor. The difference is going to be that consistent post-launch support. Now, how do high-performance sites lead to more conversions? There's more to post-launch support than just keeping a site running smoothly. It's about making sure that your client's site is performing at its best, and that directly impacts conversions. Faster load times are going to reduce the bounce rates, so when visitors land on a site, they expect it to load quickly. If it doesn't, they're just going to leave. Now, fast, high-performance websites reduce these bounce rates, keeping visitors engaged and more likely to move through the sales funnel. Now, whenever you improve your user experience, you also increase engagement. A site that's easy to navigate and visually appealing encourages visitors to explore more. So this increased engagement often leads to higher conversion rates. And when users aren't frustrated, they're more likely to convert. Now, higher search engine rankings also will drive organic traffic. So if you're keeping your website up to date, you're working on SEO, that can also give more traffic to your website and more opportunities for conversion. Now, another thing that people don't think about is enhanced mobile performance. Enhanced mobile performance is going to allow you to capture a larger audience because over half of your traffic is going to come from mobile phones. So you want to make sure that they have the same great experience as the desktop users. Now, technical SEO is a critical role in post-launch support. When a website has a strong technical foundation, search engines are able to crawl and index your website more efficiently. Now, this translates into better search visibility, meaning more organic traffic for your clients. So here's a few ways that post-launch support enhances the technical SEO. First things first, faster load times. As mentioned earlier, faster sites get rewarded with higher search rankings. Proper site structure. A well-organized site with clear navigation helps search engines understand the content, improving rankings. Mobile optimization. With Google's mobile-first indexing, that means that the mobile version of your site is what's considered first. A responsive, fast mobile site will outperform those that aren't optimized. And then again, those reduced bounce rates. High bounce rates can hurt your SEO, so keeping visitors on the site longer sends good signals to search engines, which can help boost rankings. Now let's address some common concerns. You might think, hey, my site's already fast enough, but how sure are you? Are you actually doing audits and speed tests of your website? What issues are you actually looking at? You can't just see the site speed based on typing it into your browser and looking at it. because a lot of people don't have the same internet connection as you. I've got really fast internet, so websites load really fast even if they're not built very well. But if you're working with somebody who is on their phone a lot and they're using their mobile internet connection, their website's going to load a lot slower. Now, the bottom line is that post-launch support ensures that your site stays competitive and keeps it performing at its best. Without it, you risk falling behind. So there you have it, the importance of post-launch support for your clients, from ensuring site security and performance to keeping your content fresh and SEO optimized. Post-launch support is a must for any successful website. And it's not just about maintaining the site, it's about helping your clients grow their business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.